Right now, sentiment around artificial intelligence is sitting at a surprising plus 0.34, showing a shift despite a momentum drop of minus 0.89. This divergence is noteworthy. It suggests that while overall activity is slowing, positive sentiment is emerging, likely indicating a pivot in user engagement or interest. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and the identification of 18 distinct semantic clusters, which can help you decode the nuances of conversation around AI. Imagine using this in your application to trigger alerts when sentiment shifts positively, allowing you to capitalize on emerging trends in real time. To dig deeper and integrate this into your projects, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.